Hello and welcome to another edition of NewTek Tuesday Tutorials, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to make magic using the TriCaster tracker system. Tracker provides motion data from predefined color regions and follows that region in real time. So you can lock videos, stills, frame buffers using the positioning tool in your downstream keyers or mix effect row. Let's take a look at how to do that. In this footage, our talent is holding up a blue card that we are going to replace with a video source via tracker. To set this up, open the input configuration by clicking the gear icon next to the input or double-clicking on the input itself and click the last tab called Tracker. In here you have tools similar to Live Matte, like this color choosing tool, which you click and hold your mouse button on and select the color you want the tracker to follow. You also have additional tools to lock the scale, rotation, and aspect ratio of the clip you want to fill in this color space. You can also crop the footage you assign to this color space by making adjustments to limit to region. Now to assign a clip to this region, we'll need to assign a source to a DSK. Open the Positioner tool and click the checkbox next to Use Source Tracker and select the source you wish to apply this effect to. You can also adjust the position of the tracker source using the Positioner as well. So you can fill in the space the tracker source is set to or move it around as you like. So as you can see, Tracker is a good way to breathe some life into your production, so play around with it and have some fun. I'm Richard Evans from NewTek. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for another edition of NewTek Tuesday Tutorials.